Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on your ACER Chromebook 315. So first of all, let's open two separate applications on our device, and now in order to put them to make them work in the split screen mode, we have to grab the top bar of one of these applications and move it to one of the sides of our PC, and then click on the other application to put it on the other side. Now if you want to resize these applications, you have to move the bar between them, and basically that's how you do it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.